Are you looking to add music to your live stream, but you're worried about copyright infringements and so forth? Yeah, me too. I was right there with you. Thanks so much for tuning in, you guys. My name is TidalSurge, and I am going to go through some easy, quick steps on how you can have music playing in the background of your stream without having to worry about copyright infringements or your stream getting shut down. So I just want to say just quick disclaimer. In no way is this video sponsored. I just get this question all the time on my live stream and through different forums, and I wanted to share with you folks how I have music playing in the background of my stream. So it's gonna look something along the lines of this. This is what I typically have playing on my stream here. So this is my stream start soon page, and it'll look something like this. I'll just let this sit for just a second so you guys can take a look at it. But you can hear there's music in the background, and it's just not a blank page. So some quick, easy steps. I've done all the research, and I mean, I am very challenged when it comes to computers and all of this streaming and everything. I'm very, very new to it. So I just wanted something that was simple and easy that I could use on my stream to add a little more pizzazz, to add a little more pop. And this is what I came up with. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go over to youtube.com, and this is what I use. So on YouTube, you just type in Stream Beats, and Stream Beats Harris Heller is what you want to go to. All right. So Harris Heller, he is a streamer as well too. I believe he goes by Alpha Gaming. And what he did was he got with a producer, and they made beats that you can play without any sort of copyright infringement or anything along those lines. So here are all the different options. There's literally hundreds of different stream beats. You can go to all stream beats songs by Harris Heller. Let's just click on that one.
Hey Google, how do you say
there
what
are
time
going to be
is
ads
it?
that play here. So typically during my stream, I'll already have this loaded up through the ads, so that my stream does not have to hear that. So I'll have a page like this just loaded up, ready to go. I'll have it paused. And then once my stream starts, all I do is click play, and it'll play in the background of my stream. So it'll be something along the lines of this. It's already playing in the background. You're playing in the background. And like I said, literally there are hundreds of different options. So find the one that you like and just have it playing in the background. Just a quick disclosure, once it does get to the end of the song, it will automatically go to the next song. So you just want to make sure that while you're on your, like, let's say you're on this page, and I'm just going to fast forward the music all the way to the end here. See, the song is ending. You just want to make sure that you have that audio cue to kind of just click back. And what I did was, see, the song was here. And right when that happens, you want to click back here to make sure that it starts back over again, so that it'll kind of play on a continuous loop. All right, that's it. That's the simple way to have music playing in the background of your stream. I wouldn't recommend doing it in game, just because having to loop it back, it's really hard. Like, let's say you're in an intense gunfight or something's going on where you cannot go back. You're going to have an ad, a YouTube ad playing in the background of your stream. So that's the quick and dirty, easy way to have music playing in the background of your stream. That's how I do it. I highly recommend it. Go check it out. Again, this video is not sponsored. If you want to see any of our live gameplay footage, check us out on Facebook at facebook.com/TidalSurgeGaming. We are also on Instagram and always here on YouTube. Take care, guys. Thanks for stopping by.